one of the things that we've seen with the results of many of the SGLT-2 inhibitor trials, and also to some extent another class of agents, the GLP-1s, is that there has been some movement of the guidelines committees, particularly the endocrine guidelines committees, to recommending these drugs in patients who are at risk. And so the most recent guidelines suggest that after metformin, for patients who are at cardiovascular risk, whether it be ischemic risk or heart failure risk, that an SGLT2 inhibitor is an appropriate second drug after metformin. I would say overall, these presentations that we have here at the ACC really reaffirm that these are populations that have been identified to be at high risk. And they have a substantial benefit. But I think it's also important for the general medical community to recognize that the benefits related to heart failure and related to kidney dysfunction in particular are really quite far-reaching, and that even in primary prevention patients, low-risk patients, that there tends to be these same sorts of benefits. So I think as we think about these drugs, they can be used in a very broad swath of patients. But as we read about patients who particularly we should be focusing on, these data support those.